Got flooded with birthday wishes on Facebook, but no time to answer each one? In the next 60 seconds, I'll show you how to quickly thank everyone on your timeline, on desktop and on mobile. On desktop, open Facebook and go to your profile. Scroll to your birthday posts section on your timeline. At the top of your birthday posts, click into the comment box and type one simple, friendly thank you message that works for everyone. Keep it personal but general, something like, "Thank you all so much for the birthday wishes. I appreciate every one of you." If you want, you can add emojis or a few tag names for close friends, but keep it short so it's easy to read. Hit post. That single comment now appears under all the birthday posts in that section, so everyone sees your thanks in one go. On mobile, open the Facebook app, tap your profile picture, and scroll to the birthday wishes on your timeline. Just like on desktop, tap into the main comment box above the wishes, and type your all-in-one thank you message. Want to go a bit further? Long press a few favorite messages and react with a like or heart to add a personal touch in seconds. You can also reply quickly to one or two extra special posts with a short custom comment, then rely on your main thank you for the rest. Finally, pin or react to your own thank you comment so it stands out at the top of the birthday posts section. And that's it. One clear message, seen by everyone, in under a minute, so you can say thanks fast and get back to living your life offline.